Привет, друзья! Добро пожаловать на канал Савашин. И сегодня мы поговорим о Новом годе в России. So today we will talk about New Year in Russia. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and see our social media. So the New Year in Russia is a really important festival celebration. It's one of the biggest ones during the year. And today in this video we will talk about символы Нового года, symbols of New Year, украшения, новогодние традиции, еда и поздравления. So how you can congratulate your friends on the New Year. There are different things which are associated with the New Year, and one of them are Дед Мороз. So Father Frost, this is a Russian Santa Claus. Снегурочка, Snow Maiden, this is a granddaughter of Дед Мороз. Мандарины, some tangerines. Ёлка, that's a tree which you need to decorate. And of course, много-много снега. So much, with tons of, lots of snow. Okay, let's see украшения. Мишура, tinsel, звезда, a star, which you put on the top of a tree. Ёлочные игрушки, which you use to decorate a tree. Гирлянда, some garlands and lights. There are many things which we do on the 31st of December. One of them is готовить и есть оливье. So to cook and eat оливье. So this is a kind of salad which became a tradition for New Year. Писать письмо Деду Морозу. So to write a letter to Father Frost, which thing is what usually kids do when asking a present from a Father Frost. Украшать елку, to decorate a tree, so it's a must to prepare your house for New Year. To give gifts, дарить подарки. Слушать поздравления президента, to listen to the president's congratulations at midnight. Собираться всей семьей, to get together with the family, to eat, to celebrate the New Year. Смотреть новогодние фильмы, to watch the New Year films. Много-много готовить, to cook a lot. And then of course to eat a lot, много кушать. Загадывать желания на Новый год, to make wishes for New Year. So it is told that if you do a wish at midnight, so it will come true in the New Year. And now let's see the first person's conjugation for all these verbs which we have seen in the tradition. Я украшаю елку. Я дарю подарки своим близким. Я готовлю и ем оливье. Я смотрю новогодние фильмы. Я пишу письмо Деду Морозу. Я слушаю поздравления президента. Мы собираемся всей семьей. Я загадываю желания на Новый год. Я много готовлю. That's true actually. On the 31st of December. And now let's see what food you can find on the table for New Year. So I have listed here the foods which usually I make for my family. And let's see, оливье, or зимний салат, that's winter salad. And there are many ingredients like peas, carrots, and eggs, and potatoes, and onions. And everything is dressed with mayonnaise or sour cream. Shuba, that's another type of salad. So here is salted herring, and there are many layers like onions, carrots, cooked carrots, and beets. Okay. Another thing is жареная курица or жареная утка.